By Trade Bible Hollywood reporter. Sonam is the only Indian actor who's been mentioned in the publication's special issue that lists out Asia's Gen Next. I caught up with the excited lass for a quick chat. Sonam Kapoor's got a birthday gift a little early this year, and that too from Trade publication Hollywood reporter. What's the birthday gift?
I got a mention in the Hollywood Reporter saying that I am one of the faces of the generation, young generation, who it can be a leader or whatever. It's quite cool.
But I mean, tell me, did they approach you? When did you get to know about this?
They didn't approach me or anything. I just one day got a certificate in my house, which was mailed to me, and I was like, "What is this?" And then I called for the trade guide of the Hollywood Reporter, and I found out that it was a mention in the magazine as one of the Indian actors in Asia, female actor in Asia, who they felt was the face of what in Asian cinema or Asian media is going to be.
And how did Daddy Dearest react?
He just came back from LA and we just mentioned it to him, and he was quite happy about it. Yeah, he was. He was like, "Do you know what the Hollywood Reporter is?" I said, "Yes, now that you're settled there." Yeah, I know what it is.
Does he want you also to go maybe now the Hollywood way?
It isn't about where the film is from. It's about what the script is. If it's a good script, and it doesn't matter what language it's in, you know, if the role is good, the director is good, the producer is good. I think that's what matters the most.
Well, still, I'm curious. Like, if you were to choose Hollywood actors that you would want to work with, instantly who would come on the wish list?
I think Johnny Depp is one, and Leonardo DiCaprio, and Javier Bardem. He's cute.
There's lots happening right now. You're going to IFA, of course. You're going to be performing there for the first time. You're completely prepared?
Yes, I've been rehearsing. I'm prepared, and let's see what happens, man. It's the first performance, and I have stage fright.
You're stage fright?
Yeah. I'm scared, but I heard that you can't see the audience because there are so many lights, and then I have to perform for the camera.
Because we saw you and Imran Sizzle together on the cover of Filmfare, and also at the press conference that happened, there was lots of chemistry there.
We get along. I think he's a really nice guy, and I guess we do have chemistry. I didn't realize that, but yeah, on the cover it seems like we do. We didn't realize that. We were just having a good time.